Here's what it looks like when the exhaust goes through a regular diesel engine. Here's what it looks like when it goes through Paradigm's new system.
And why does all this matter to you?
Through this whole process, we're also reducing CO2, because the more fuel you burn, the more CO2 you create.
So for all of us, it makes diesel engines cleaner and better for the environment. For trucking companies, it could save millions of dollars in maintenance.
The Regional Transit Service in Rochester has been a part of the pilot program for about 8 years.
It basically cleans the air before the exhaust even hits those devices, so it will greatly improve the life of those components. You're saving money in parts, you're saving money in labor, and you're reducing fuel consumption at the same time.